Hello everybody. In this video we will just discuss next function, that is split line function that we can apply on string. Okay. So in this program I have defined a string like this: welcome in Python tutorial, full stop, and next statement is welcome in India. Okay. Now when we print str, if we print str, what output we'll get? We will get this particular string on command prompt. Okay, I want to show you output. See here, we have got this particular string on command prompt. Okay, now if we want to display this second statement, welcome in India, on new line, currently both statement we are getting on same line. Now if we want to display this second statement on new line, then here see, here we can use a backslash code slash n. Okay, so because of this slash n, what will happen? It will just print welcome in Python tutorial on first line and welcome in India on second line. Okay, now I want to show you output once again. See here, we have got both statement on new line. Okay, now I just want to discuss a next function, that is split line function. Okay, see here I am defining one more variable x. Okay, so I want to split this particular string. Okay, at new line. Okay, so where new line, we are getting the second statement on new line because of which uh, uh, code, because of this backslash code. Okay, so here we can use split line function. Split lines function. Okay, so now here instead of printing str, if I print x. Okay, in x what we store? We store result of split lines. Okay, this split line function we apply on what? We apply on str, means this split line function we apply on this particular string. So what will happen after execution of this line? This particular statement will be divided into two parts, where first part will be this one. Okay, welcome in Python tutorial, and second part will be this one, that is welcome in India. Okay, so it will just split this particular statement at a new line. So at this point it will just split. Okay, and its meaning is what? Now after execution of this statement, this string will be divided into two parts, where first part will be welcome in Python tutorial and second part will be welcome in India. So they will be stored in a list. So x type of x will be here list, where at 0th position of list it will just store welcome in Python tutorial, and at first position of list it will just store welcome in India. I want to show you output. See here, now in Python we know that this list will be represented by using square brackets. So see how many elements are there now in this list? Two elements. First element will be welcome, first element is welcome in Python tutorial, and second element is welcome in India. So here at a new line it has just break this particular string. Okay, similarly see here you can add one more slash n. Okay, so here if I add one more slash n, and here if I type suppose computer. Okay, suppose one more slash n let us add, and let us type one more string, that is say suppose electronics. Okay, now after execution of this statement, what will happen? This string will be divided into four different part, because four different slash n are there. Okay, so actually three slash n are there. So first part will be welcome in Python tutorial, second part will be welcome in India, third part will be computer, and last part will be electronics. So four elements will be added in x. I want to show you output here. Here, so type of x will become here list. So what is use of split line function is used to split the particular string at new line. Okay, once in this case is it has divided this particular string into four different type, because actually three slash n's are there. So first type, it has break this particular line at this point, so this will be first element. This will be first element, welcome in Python tutorial. This will be second element, that is welcome in India. then third element computer, and last element is electronics. So it has just added 4 elements in this particular list. Okay, now I just want to discuss one more form of split lines. Here for split lines we can pass one parameter as well, so that parameter can be true or sometime it can be false. Okay, now before passing this parameter true, in what way we have got output? We have got output like this. So 4 elements we have the interpreter has added in the list. Okay, now here I have added parameter true for the split line. Now I just want to execute this program once again. Now see, after adding this parameter true, what is the difference in the output is, in the output it has just included a new line character /n as well. Okay, so if you pass parameter true for this, then along with the part, it has just added /n at the end as well. Okay, /n at the end as well. So similarly you can pass false as well. So if you are not passing any parameter for the split line, then default value for that is false. After adding false, it will just remove that \n. See here, it will just remove that \n. So by default the parameter value for the split line function is false, and if you pass true, then it will just include \n in the output as well. Okay, so I hope you are getting this point, what is use of split line. So that's all for this video. Stay tuned for further updates. Thank you.